Tesla's next US factory location, known as Cybertruck Gigafactory, could be announced this month, sometimes in May. Tesla offered a few updates on plans to increase factory count during its Q1 earnings call. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from Torque News. As I'm going to tell you this story, please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow together, and also ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload our next story. And please like this video to show your appreciation of all the people and references that I provide in this video reports about who help us to chronicle Tesla daily. Chief Executive of Tesla, Elon Musk, said on announcement on the location of Tesla's next factory in the United States could come as soon as next month. I mean, that was, when I say next month, I mean in May, which is this month already, because he made the announcement during the earlier earnings call on April 29. But also likely within 3 months, not only in May, but within 3 months. And there will be more factory announcements to come. Pay attention to this. We're not talking about only one factory, but there will be more factory announcements to come. I quote, "So as far as how many will be in 5 years, I don't know right now what that number would be," Musk said during the company's Q1 earnings call. And I quote again, "I guess several more than there are today." So it looks like within 5 years, we will hear announcements of several more gigafactories than there are today. Tesla's fourth factory is currently under construction in Germany. It's known as Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin, expected to be completed next year, will be the company's largest to date. Tesla will first start producing the Model Y in Germany, which will be key in supplying the electric crossover to the European market. Giga Shanghai, which was completed last year, is already in the middle of a massive expansion known as Phase 2. If you check check the stories and videos that we have covered at Torque News YouTube channel, you will see daily Giga Berlin reports, and you can see how we have chronicled it, and you will also see at least 2-3 times reports about Giga Shanghai and how that massive Phase 2 construction and ramp is going there. Tesla's next US factory is expected to build the Cybertruck, the electric pickup truck Cybertruck, and possibly the Semi. Elon Musk said Wednesday that the factory will be massive, large enough to dub a Terafactory. You know, until now, we have been talking about Tesla Gigafactories, which means a huge factory. But in the future, factories may be bigger, and there may be even called Terafactory. Tesla Terafactory or Tesla Terafactories. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said on Twitter that the company was scouting the middle of the country for the new factory's location. He mentioned Texas as a possibility. States including Missouri, Kansas, and Tennessee have all publicly offered incentives to attract Tesla to come and build this Terafactory or Cybertruck Terafactory on their land. In fact, 3-4 days ago, I reported what Wichita in Kansas is offering and what incentives and advantages Wichita in Kansas is offering for the next Tesla Terafactory to build the Cybertruck. You know, so this is basically what we know, and so far we know. What do you think the next factory will be located? Do you think it will be in Missouri, in Kansas, in Tennessee, or in Texas? Tesla CEO Elon Musk had provided some requirements that they have, that the area has to be in the eastern part of toward the east of the United States, eastern part of the United States, that has to have good and talented workforce, and the incentives is not the only thing that Tesla is looking for when scouting the location for its next Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory. I don't know which one now people use, because Elon Musk brought this term Terafactory as something that people now are starting to use. So where do you think Tesla will build this next Cybertruck Terafactory or Gigafactory? Let us continue the discussion, please, in the comment section below. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel as we bring you daily Tesla and electric car reports on this channel, at least 4 or 5 reports daily. And like this video to show your appreciation of all the people that helped me to compile and bring this information to you, friends. And have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in our next report later today. God bless you, everyone, and stay safe.